Hi Sophie.
Hi.
Sophie has a confession to make.
I'm Phil's #1 fan.
And how good are you at skimming stones?
I've never skimmed stones before.
Would you like to?
I would love to.
Okay Sophie, show us how well you can skim. Hey, we got it.
You got a skip! Yeah! No, sorry.
This is where we started to think about power and getting some distance onto that stone. Hey, that did a third bounce. This time, remember to bring your arm back because it's almost as though you're just hugging yourself. Nice. This one will be good. Hey, that's 4. Maybe if I just chew a few stones. Now she's throwing stones to really wake up the power she's got in that arm. Not bad.
Just some roly polies.
Good power. Oh, that looked good. Yes! Beautiful. Okay, Sophie, these are your last stones. Good. The distance is really improved. Hey. In half an hour, she's gone from no skips to 5 skips.